Our cities need a future. The people that live here are getting more and more. Therefore, the space requirements are increasing. We must stop the production of fossil fuels and start building ecologically. We have to create living space without ceiling-tight spaces. Saving CO2 and energy is part of the planning and building. Extension for Sustainability is the name of the team at the Biberach University of Applied Science, with students, professors and research assistants from the following courses: Energy Engineering, Architecture, Civil Engineering and Project Management. 10 disciplines, one goal. Using the example of Café Ada in Wuppertal, it is shown that adding more floors is also energetically sustainable and could make a place for culture, life and living.
As a team, we think outside the box of our own discipline and learn a lot about building and living. We experienced how everything is connected. When we are thinking of the cultural meeting point, Café Ada, the first thing we see is the building, then the neighborhood, the district, and at some point, the value of life and the future of an entire city.
The sustainability of our project is based on 4 levels: ecological, build and operate in a way that saves resources; economical, high savings from CO2 at low costs; socially acceptable, to live comfortably, flexibly and healthy; socially sustainable, with affordable rents for a good neighborhood.
Our sustainability concept for Café Ada means sufficiency, efficiency, as well as consistency and resilience. This means do not waste resources, but use sustainable ones optimally. Optimize the energy of the building envelope and insulation, dimension living areas in moderation, and intelligently solve energy supply and design it with low energy losses.
Café Ada can grow. There will be 4 floors on it. The Café for Cultural Activities remains in the existing building. On top of that, it becomes a private space. A support grid decouples the statics from the existing and the new floors. A mezzanine floor becomes a functional and creative link. The technical center and common rooms are also being built here. Above, the 3 residential floors are with variable floor plans such as communal areas, co-working space and other variable floor plans, open and barrier-free.
Printable area. We use wood that binds CO2. We are planning apartments for up to 4 people. Tighter private rooms, more common rooms for low rents and high comfort. The facade is multifunctional, highly insulated, generates energy and looks modern. The building becomes the center of the neighborhood, with a charging station, urban gardening and several facilities such as a bike workshop or care offers.
The solid wood construction, demanding. Challenges are fire protection, no pollutants inside, prefabrication or the use of regionally available material. The existing building carries the load of the new floors, which is why the team relies on lightweight construction. The one thing that is really important for the climate neutrality with high resilience is of course the inner technical life.
Solar collectors for heat and electricity on the facade and on the roof, heat pumps using the environmental heat, energy storage systems that compensate for peak loads, energy efficient systems such as heat recovery and the smart home strategy to decide when to use which electrical devices and when to load the battery of a car or bike, a hybrid power system using direct and alternating current to increase the efficiency. Furthermore, using energy from a battery makes additional inverters unnecessary. Open source technology, providing independence of manufacturers and designing a clever and economic system with a high utility value.
All around is simply interdisciplinary. The challenges in the Solar Decathlon Europe 21 are huge, as in the sporting decathlon. No one knows this better than the world-class athlete Matthias Brugger. He studies civil engineering at Biberach University.
First you need in decathlon versatility, a little bit of talent and a lot of discipline. You need to stand for what you do and to work hard for the results, not only in one discipline, in 10 disciplines to be more specific.
Also aware of this fact is the responsible professor, the leading coach, to be more specific.
This competition involves all our building disciplines. We cross borders for new solutions. We transfer from lecture hall and lab to practice and life. We bring solar energy, smart constructions and technology, good ideas and solutions in the middle of the city. It's an inspiring challenge.
Biberach University of Applied Science takes an interdisciplinary approach, versatile and motivated.
Extension for sustainability. X4S.